Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This is a stitch which is named as Kroller stitch, Krolleler. I found this stitch in one of the crochet encyclopedias, and this is a one row repeat and a very simple pattern which combines single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. And this is a great stitch for gentle textures and for baby projects and all the projects that require gentle texture, you can say. So to make this stitch, we require multiples of 3 plus 1 chains rather. So to demonstrate the stitch, I'm going to use baby yellow hobby store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pillion medium weight 4, which recommends 4.5 to 5.5 mm crochet hook, and I'm going to use my favorite clover hook and a 5 mm H hook, and its color code is 2048. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you to begin the first row. So I have made multiples of 3 plus 1, that is 16 chains. Now I'm going to work my first half double crochet, the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to place my single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet in the next chain, single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet in the next chain, then I will skip 2, again single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet, skip 2, single crochet, half double and double crochet, skip 2, single crochet, half double and double crochet in the next, sorry, you will be left with 3 chains. So make a half double crochet here in the last chain. Having done that, chain 1 and turn, half double crochet in the very first stitch, and then single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet in the DC of the previous row, again single crochet, half double and double crochet in the DC of the next stitch, again single crochet, half double and double crochet in the next DC, again single crochet, half double and a double crochet, and make a double crochet in the very last stitch, not double crochet, half double crochet. Chain 1 and turn, half double crochet on top of the first stitch, again in the DC you're going to make single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. So this is the pattern repeat. Row 2 is the pattern repeat. Every DC you're going to place one single crochet, one half double crochet, and a double crochet, all in the same stitch. So it's all a combination of very simple basic stitches which gives a very beautiful stitch pattern. Really appreciate the person who thought of such a stitch. I don't know who is the founder of the stitch. So this is how the stitches worked. This is the back side, this is the right side. It's a reversible stitch, I feel. Yeah, it is a reversible stitch. It's a reversible pattern. So both the sides look alike. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this Kroller stitch. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon because you'll be notified of the videos that we upload on and off. Have a great day friends. Bye for now.